Have you ever wondered, is that thing even working? Oh, it just blinked. Red. Is that bad? Should I be worried? Why do we put up with this? Meet Nest Protect. It's designed with advanced technology to sense smoke and carbon monoxide. Can give you an early warning before an alarm.
Heads up, there's smoke in the kitchen.
And if you know everything's okay, you don't have to run around trying to quiet it down. Just hush it from your phone.
Smoke alarm silenced.
Nest Protect tells you where the danger is, so you know what to do and where to go.
Emergency. There's carbon monoxide in the living room. Move to fresh air.
And it can send an alert, so you know what's going on, even if you're not home.
The carbon monoxide alarm is over.
At night, it lights your way and shows you it's tested its batteries and everything's okay, so everyone can sleep safe and sound. Nest Protect. It's time to know more and worry less.
Say hello to Wemo Dimmer, the smart dimmer that makes your life truly comfortable. The Wemo Dimmer is versatile. Control it like a regular switch. From the Wemo app, or give power to your voice.
Turn on movie lighting.
You can also set schedules to make your life easier. And protect your eyes at night with night mode. Or get your home vacation ready for peace of mind with away mode.
Turn off the bedroom.
This is your house. This is your car. This is your toothbrush. These are your things. But these are the things that matter. And somewhere in between is this guy. Introducing Jibo, the world's first family robot. Say hi, Jibo.
Hi, Jibo.
Jibo helps everyone out throughout their day. He's the world's best cameraman. By intelligently tracking the action around him, he can independently take video and photos, so that you can put down your camera and be a part of the scene.
Jibo, take the picture.
He's a hands-free helper. You can talk to him, and he'll talk to you back, so you don't have to skip a beat.
Excuse me, Anne?
Yes, Jibo.
Melissa just sent a reminder that she's picking you up in half an hour to go grocery shopping.
Thanks, Jibo.
He's an entertainer and educator. Through interactive applications, Jibo can teach.
Let me in, or else I'll...
Huh.
And I'll...
Huh.
And I'll blow your house in.
Hey, where'd you go? There you are.
He's the closest thing to a real-life teleportation device. He can turn and look at whoever you want with a simple tap of your finger.
Check out my turkey dinner, Mom.
I wish you wouldn't eat that.
Hey, they make turkey pizza? I want turkey pizza.
And he's a platform, so his skills keep expanding. He'll be able to connect to your home.
Welcome home, Eric.
Hey, buddy. Can you order some takeout for me?
Sure thing. Chinese, as usual?
You know me so well.
And even be a great wingman.
You have a voice message from Ashley. Want to hear it?
Absolutely.
Hey, call me when you're home.
Better make that takeout for two, Jibo.
We've dreamt of it for years, and now he's finally here. And he's not just an aluminum shell, nor is he just a 3-axis motor system. He's not even just a connected device. He's one of the family.
Good night, Jibo.
Jibo, this little bot of mine.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.
Introducing Vobot, the world's first smart clock with Amazon Alexa, which you can set alarms, timers, check the weather, read news, listen to music, and more. Vobot is a revolutionary AI-enhanced voice interactive smart clock that helps you make the most of the day. It is very easy to set alarms with the Vobot. Just tap and say, "Set an alarm for 7 a.m. every day." To start the alarm, you could hold the screen for 3 seconds or shake to dismiss the alarm. If you don't want to get up immediately, just flip Vobot over and it will wake you up in 9 minutes. When you get up, you can check weather directly from Vobot. How is the weather today?
Currently, in Los Angeles, California, it's 68 degrees.
When you're cooking, Vobot is also very helpful. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Easy, quick, friendly, never miss the right time. Vobot can be a music player at your party. You can access to any playlist from iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and Amazon Music. Except that, World Clock. Sleep sound. Customize alarm music. Shopping. Taxi. Smart home. More and more features have been added to Vobot. All we want is to make your life more simple.